guys, it's Miss Amanda coming to you from the library in quarantine still. We are looking forward to being able to see you guys more and have everybody back in here having a good time. Who knows when that'll happen, but until then, we're going to keep trying to provide programs for you through videos. So what we're doing today is we're going to do our dragon eyeball necklaces. Here's a bunch of different ones. They don't have to look like these. These look pretty fancy for my art capabilities. They can be one color. They can be, I put, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors in each craft kit, so you guys can choose your own colors. And let's see here. So I'm going to take my black paint, open it up, and then I'm going to take a brush, get some paint, grab my little gem that's going to be for the eye, and I'm just going to draw his pupil right in the middle. I can already tell this is very messy. If you've done crafts with me before, you know that I'm not super creative. But I'll give it a try. Okay. Put that in my water. I'm going to clean it up a little bit with my paper towel. Let it dry for just a few seconds. And basically what I have is just a black stripe in the middle. And then I'm going to open up my colors. I've got red, blue, purple, and green in everybody's kit. And I didn't put a ton of paint in there because we don't need a ton because these eyeballs are not very big. Although I did put 2 of the gems in each one, so if you wanted to do an extra one, that's totally fine. I think I'm going to outline my pupil in a little bit of red. Red is my favorite color. My hands are very shaky. Okay, so now I have black with red. Clean my brush off. And then do maybe a little, let's do purple. And again, you guys can do any design, you guys can do whatever colors you want. I just tried to give you a variety. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the whole back side of this black so that it's not as see-through. Go back to my black paint. paint the whole back side black. Just like that. This is really hard because these are pretty small, so hopefully with smaller hands you guys will do pretty good with them. So I got some red and some purple on there now. And now I think I'm just going to put some different colored dots throughout it. Some blue and some green. You can use all your colors or you can use whatever you want, because I'm sure they're going to turn out beautifully. You can also, if you have paint markers at home, like a gold or silver, you could also take those and do, you know, in between the different colors to make it pop a little bit more if you wanted to. Now I'm going to grab my glue gun really quick. Okay, and then I'm going to take on the back and dab a little bit of glue. Don't need a lot. And then I'm going to take this little contraption here and I'm going to glue it right to the back. You can even do that before you paint if you want to. It would make it a little easier to hold on to. Like I said, I'm not clever enough to think of something like that ahead of time, but you could do it that way if you wanted to. Got some glue on there. So now it's hanging on this, and then I'm just going to take my rope and slide it through, and there we go. You have your necklace. And like I said, I put 2 in everybody's craft kit, so hopefully if you want to, you could you know, make one for somebody else, or make one for yourself, or make one for a sibling or a friend or whomever you want to. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in person, and I hope that happens sooner rather than later. I miss you guys. If you were here, we could chat and have snacks and play a game or just hang out. So I miss you guys. I hope you're all doing really well, and stay healthy, and we'll see you soon, hopefully. Bye!